Hello traders. In this video, I shown my new strategy, which has a very high winning rate. This strategy is based on the Bollinger Bands indicator. Works very accurately and completely filters out the false signals in the range chart. By using this strategy, you will achieve more profitable profits in your scalping trading. In this strategy, I use 3 unique indicators. And I use them in my trades. And I got the desired result. This is a multi-million-dollar strategy and there is no such strategy on the internet. I promise you will be very happy after seeing this amazing strategy. So be sure to watch the video carefully until the end because I have explained the important points during the video. Let's learn how to build and use this magical strategy. First of all, we have to search TV Community Algo in the search box of Trading View. And click on TV Community Algo option. You will get market information here, in which you can see about the market, a trend which is showing by the bullish. After that, you look at the RSI value which is very good above 50. Also see the volume and volatility. This buy signal that you see here is based on Bollinger Bands indicator. I will open some trades with these strategy signals. Here is the buy signal issued. I will open a short buy position. And we will book its profit when the next sell signal is created. Here also we can execute one of our trades. If you use this Bollinger Bands indicator, then you will create many such signals in which you will have a lot of problem in trading. Will create a lot of confusion. To clear this confusion, we will add one more indicator. Let's go to the first indicator. We have to search Parabolic SAR in the search box of Trading View. And click on Parabolic SAR option. Add this indicator to the chart. We have used this indicator before but this time it is different. Here the market is above the Bollinger Bands indicator and the Parabolic SAR has created a buy signal. So in such a situation we will execute our trade without a buy or sell signal. And then we will book profit after Parabolic SAR gives a sell signal. You must be quite surprised when you see buy and sell signals being generated in the middle of the trade. And such signals will confuse you a lot when you trade in real. So we will hide this buy and sell option. And with all this, one more thing you will need is to identify the trend of the market. For this, we will add the last indicator. We have to search MA in the search box of Trading View. And click on Moving Average option, in which we have to change some setting. We have to replace length 9 with 60. So now our indicator is all set. Now you will not have any problem in identifying the trend of the market, so now let's see by doing some trades. The market is currently below the 60 moving average. So now we will execute our trade on all the sell signals that will be created in the market. Now, look at your parabolic wire and the metal line of the Parabolic SAR indicator. You will get to see a low winning ratio in this indicator, but profit will be 100%. So the way I'm executing the trade right now, you should just watch. You will know at which points you need to trade. I don't need to say much. Here the candle has touched the 60 moving average. It can mean that the trend of the market is about to change. In such a situation, we will not execute our trade here. We will wait for the market to get into a trend again. Here you see the parabolic signal has been created. And here it is clear that the market is on trend. So here we will execute our trade. With this, you can see another confirmation. The signal is created above the Parabolic SAR indicator middle line. So in the same way we will trade on other buy signals. Keep one thing in mind. If you have a loss in 1 or 2 trades in a trend or if the market candle comes close to the 60 moving average, then you will not trade at that time. Right now you see here that there is no trend in the market. If the market is on the sideways, then in such a situation we will not execute our trade at all. Similarly, you see here, I will execute a lot of trade. In between, I'll leave trade on for quite some time. Now you see here that the market has come down by crossing the 60 moving average. And then the parabolic SAR has given a sell signal above. With that you look at the value of the RSI indicator, it's 41. In this condition, we can execute one of our trades here. This stop loss will be set on parabolic SAR. And one more thing, as the parabolic SAR comes down, our stop loss will gradually come down along with it. Here you see the parabolic SAR has created a buy signal. So we will book our profit here, and then here the parabolic SAR sell signal is given. Then again we will absolutely execute one of our sell trades here. Parabolic SAR is created here by signal, so we will book our profit here. And sim like this we will do many trades so that you will understand how to use this indicator. Then keep watching the video. So let's test the indicator now. So we tested this indicator with a lot of patience and executed the trade with a lot of patience. A lot of signals were left to us. At the time of testing the indicator, we have generated losses in only 2 trades. And we have done 8 total trades. So we have got very good results, and all the profit we booked was very good. And what we have lost in that is a very small loss. If you haven't watched this video completely or skipped it, then you will not be able to get this indicator, because I have shown each indicator step by step in the video. To take the indicator you have to watch the full video, only then you can install this indicator property. Use this indicator in a real account. Only after understanding your trading well above. So if you enjoyed this video, to show your support, please hit the like button. Subscribe and turn on the notifications bell. So thanks for watching, and I'll see